How to plot multiple data frames in subplots. I have a few pandas data frames sharing the same value scale, but having different columns and indices. When invoking df.plot, I get separate plot images. What I really want is to have them all in the same plot as subplots, but I'm unfortunately failing to come up with a solution to how and would highly appreciate some help.
You can manually create the subplots with matplotlib, and then plot the data frames on a specific subplot using the ax keyword. For example, for 4 subplots, 2 by 2. Here axes is an array which holds the different subplot axes, and you can access one just by indexing axes. If you want a shared x-axis, then you can provide sharex equals true to plt.subplots.
You can see e.gs in the documentation demonstrating yours answer. Also from the documentation, you could also set subplots equals true and layout equals within the pandas plot function. You could also use fig.add_subplot, which takes subplot grid parameters such as 221, 222, 223, 224, etc. as described in the post here. Nice examples of plot on pandas data frame, including subplots, can be seen in this IPython notebook.
You can plot multiple subplots of multiple pandas data frames using matplotlib with a simple trick of making a list of all data frame, then using the for loop for plotting subplots. Working code. Using this code, you can plot subplots in any configuration. You need to define the number of rows in row and the number of columns in col. Also, you need to make list of data frames df_list which you wanted to plot.
You can use the familiar matplotlib style calling a figure and subplot, but you simply need to specify the current axis using plt.gca. An example. Etc.
If you want to see more, you can ask us questions.